So, Mr. Counsel, is it not true that you had not opened your book on the day of examination, or to be more precise, you never opened any book for the examination in which you had to sit?
No, that's not the case. You're misinformed. Sorry. And don't try to act smart as if you were there on that day, because you weren't. And don't tell me that you have eyes and you can see the time within one time frame without any distinction of present, future, and past. Don't act smart with me. Okay? Be within your limits, please.
Now, my sources tell me that
Who the fuck are your sources? And
now this is not
Attribution.
expected of a lawyer who practices in Supreme Court. Now, what is wrong with you when it is clearly evident? And I will not quote my sources, but my sources
define
are
the word evident before you complete the question, because the question itself is completely against the sea of criminal jurisprudence system.
had you
And
gone-
who are your sources?
and had you
Is anonymity an attribution?
had you
Does anonymity
let me
have a legal
complete and
personality?
don't lose your temper.
No, I'm not losing my temper, but I'm trying to nip you in the bud before you start fanning any controversy or ask questions that do not have a base at all. Please
Had you
behave
gone
like
to-
a journalist. You
Had
must
you-
have studied some journalism, some course of
No,
journalism.
before
isn't it?
before moving into this career, I was a lawyer, but my
Oh.
practice did not, run that much.
So is this a case of a witch hunt against your failed ambitions in the field of law?
No, but my duty as a journalist is
Who
to
gave
find
you that
out.
duty? Where is that duty enshrined?
You must be having some professional ethics and code of conduct.
Yes.
In similar fashion, I do also have in my profession. So let me ask you a very simple question. Is it true that you had taken up a dowry death case,
Yes, I did.
but you had no answer to the presumption that was raised under section 113 B of Evidence Act? You tried to come up with a defense, but you
Now,
but
not just to set the context for your viewers, what is section 113?
whenever there is a death of a woman within 7 years of marriage,
Yes.
in abnormal circumstances, then and before her death, if she has been subjected to harassment, torture.
So we are talking about the proximity test that we
Yes.
generally
No,
rely
but
upon.
my question is not related to such things. My question is related to, had you gone through the deposition of all the prosecution witnesses?
Each one of them, word by word.
So, who do you think was the most important witness who could
Are
change
you,
the?
are you the judge?
No, I am
Am
not
I
the
being
judge,
paid here?
but I have got to know that you deliberately
Who are
chose
you?
not to.
Who are you to know the details of this case? Are you the judge? Are you my honorable, respectable judge, or the opposite counsel? Is this a court? What is this?
But people are going to watch it and they are going to form their opinion on the
I
basis
am very
of this
sorry, but with
statement
all
that
due
you are
respect
making.
to your viewers,
In my
there is
so,
a concept of media trial. The moment I say something about the case, this will amount to a media trial, and I do not wish to do that, because the very process of law will become frustrated. It will be off railed. I cannot allow you to even have a discussion of a single word.
Okay, let me ask a very simple questions. A very simple
All
question.
of your questions are seemingly very simple, but they are cunningly and connivingly very complicated.
Is
Do
it
you
not
realize
true
that?
the FIR that was filed or lodged by the policeman in the police station had been registered against some unknown persons? But how did this particular person whom you are representing came into picture?
Mr. Journalist, despite my repeated requests of not asking any question that may be a part of an ongoing legal process of adjudication, you
I know the matter is sub judice, but for the sake of clarity
These
of the
qualifiers do
viewers,
not work. What kind of a clarification do you seek here?
because this
I mean,
has become a
if this-
sensational
if-
case, and you
and
are
you're
using
adding
it
to the
to
element of
you are
sensationalism.
using it to advertise yourself as the best lawyer.
I am not. I am not. I am not. Sorry. And this is
Yes, you are.
so unbecoming of
Yes,
you to
yes,
even.
yes. You are trying
No,
to
this is so unbecoming
advertise
of you to
yourself.
even use that word. In our profession, with due respect, I know I am the best for my clients, not because this profession has a hierarchy of advocates. It is because every time I hold a file in my hand, every time I go through a deposition, I know the fact for sure that because they have chosen
Now
me,
let me ask a very technical question.
their future depends on me. So in that sense, I am
What
the
does
best,
the
but that
FSL
best
report
does not
say?
exclude anyone.
What does the FSL report say?
FSL report says that you are a man speaking well beyond your depth.
Now you are accusing me of incompetency.
No. Do you have do you have anything to be concerned about any FSL report?
Okay, tell me, under which section of CRPC FIR is registered? If an offense is cognizable,
Why should we discuss this?
now this is not related to a case. In no manner it is related to any case. I am asking you a general provision of criminal law.
See,
If it is an
154.
okay, what about 155?
It further entails on 154.3. That is what it is.
Let's suppose a magistrate. Let's suppose a policeman does not register the FIR. Then what are the remedies available to a complainant?
You go to a magistrate.
Under which section?
Are you trying to lead me into some kind of a trap? I know. I have conducted quite a few trials.
Do you know the judge has the power of asking any question, be it whether relevant, irrelevant, under section 165 Evidence
I
Act?
know. That is why a lot of lawyers accuse the judges of asking questions that break the flow of their argument. They are not, when they are speaking, judges intervene while they are in the middle of their task.